What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now in this video we are going to talk about what is the price for the Realme GT and when it's launching in India. So we are almost waiting for a month for the Realme GT and when it is going to launch in India. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. We are really close to our 1000 subscribers goal, so consider and help us reaching out us there. So very first thing, let's talk about the pricing for the Realme GT. Now Realme GT is a phone which will be coming with a Snapdragon 888 processor, which is the current flagship processor. So that phone ain't going to be a cheap, which you might be thinking under 20,000 rupees or under 30,000 rupees. The Realme GT can maximum go up to a minimum of 35,000 rupees, but you can expect that this phone will be fairly priced alongside the Mi 11X Pro and the iQOO 7 Legend Edition. So the pricing for the Realme GT will be the near to the, we can say about it, 35,000 rupees to 38,000 rupees to undercut the competition. And now if we talk about that, the launch date for the Realme GT in India. Now we have talked a lot about the Realme GT pricing earlier, that it will be launching on 4th of July and then other time that it will not be coming to India or it's instantly launching in India. But now that the CEO of the Realme has confirmed that the phone will be launching before Diwali, and there is nothing word about the date for the Realme GT launch date. So if anyone says to you that the Realme GT is going to launch on 4th of July or any other specific date, then don't believe that all thing, because we all know that there is no official pricing for this and even the leaks regarding the Realme GT launch date. So if you like this video and if you think that we are giving you a good news or the news which is helpful to you, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so we can reach our 7,000 subscribers goal very soon. Now for the specifications of this phone, then this phone will be coming with a 120Hz AMOLED display, which will be also having a high refresh rate and the touch sampling rate when compared to the competition, with the Gaming Master Edition also coming very soon for the Realme GT Master Edition. Now that Master Edition will be coming with a Snapdragon 870 instead of a 888 processor and a 108 megapixel of a primary camera. Not to mention a 4500 mAh battery and a 65 watt of fast charging or the Realme Dart charging, which will be seen in this phone. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about the Realme GT pricing and also the Realme GT launch date, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.